Welcome back, everybody. College basketball action, and we're on a 6-1 run right now with the SBR videos. Took yesterday off, but we're ready for today, and we're ready to cash another ticket. The Florida Gators at 6-1 travel to Michigan to take on the 10-0, number one ranked Michigan State Spartans. Tom Izzo has this team playing extremely good basketball. They deserve that ranking, and they're on their home court. Denzel Valentine just continues to lead the way. He's the team leader in points, rebounds, and assists. So look for him to step up today and be the floor general. Now, Florida, on the other hand, this team is a whole lot different than what we've seen in years past. New coach Mike White said we're struggling to find our identity. You know, what they do have is some very good offensive rebounding, but what they're doing is not turning it into points. All right, that's not going to help them here today. Bet365 had the game opening up at -9.5, and that's where it remains. All right, the total opened up at 133.5. It's moved up to 134. All right, I love the first half in this play. It is available at -5 at several spots, 5.5 at others. So get it at 5. This is where the value is. The Spartans will come out early, and often today they're going to, get the tone set, and they're going to run and gun early. So that's where the money is. College basketball action. Don't miss it.